That is, let's take a look at here at an upcoming project. That is a paper Notre Dame Cathedral. I'm going to give you that whole kit. You can download it, print it, and put it together. But I wanted to take a quick look at a couple of things here. This is an unbagging video, kind of like an unboxing video. I've ordered some DaVinci books, and they're coming in. Look, oh, there's the Notre Dame Cathedral as it's being progressed. But, so this video is just about, I want to just show you a couple of Leonardo da Vinci books, if that's something you might like. But here is a project that I've been working on. It's an actual leaded stained glass window that I've made. And there's a beautiful story behind that window. There's our whirly gig project. I'm still working on that. And DaVinci may have a solution for us. Let's put all of this away and take a look at a couple of books. And I'm going to delve deep, not in this video, into these books. Not from the perspective of a review or anything like that. I'm going to delve into them from the perspective of how Da Vinci thought and how we can benefit from his perspective on life and things and learning and education and curiosity in the world. So it's going to be pretty exciting. I love it. I'm a big fan of Da Vinci. I've been to Florence, Italy. I've been to the Da Vinci Museum. I've got some Da Vinci projects, and so there'll be a lot more coming about this, about Leonardo da Vinci, his life, his work, and how we can learn from him to increase our ability and skills and curiosity and all of that. So just a simple, easy video, but if you're a curious kind of person, you want to increase your creativity, you want to learn new techniques and how to make different projects. I got a whole bunch of them already on this website. I think I'm on this YouTube channel. I think I'm up to over 50 videos now in a variety of subjects, which I like. All kinds of different things. We're not going to stick to any one particular thing, but the overriding theme is, the Renaissance perspective on learning and education and curiosity. So stay tuned. Thanks. Hit that like button and subscribe button.